Hello, my name is Chris Reed, and this problem is about trying to find out an equation that will give you let Q be the amount of barrels in the millions. And it talks about your initial value at time equals 0. They say that equals 5.8, 5.4 million. Okay, the problem states that the rate of change, we could rewrite it as dq dt is equal to some k, constant proportionality, times the initial the present value of q. And it's a simple differential equation, and this could be easily solved by same separation of variables. You say dq over q is equal to k dt. And you take the integral both sides. This equals to ln of q equals to k dt, kt plus c. Now you can rewrite this using the properties of logs, like e to the what equals q. So now you can say q of t equals to e to the kt plus c. That's equal to e to the kt times e to the c. And e to the c is just a constant. So we could actually rewrite this as q sub 0, that's the initial amount, at kt. Now we could say q of 0 equals your initial amount at the annual initially, which is 5.4 million. And that's equal to q sub 0 e to the 0. And that's equal to q sub 0. Now, let's go to the next board. Now we can write the solution of q of t equals to 5.4 e to the kt. Okay, we still need the solve for k, and it actually gave us being q of, so you go back, like you said, you got to read the problem. After 6 years, they produced 10.8 million barrels. So we could say, oh yeah, okay, I apologize. This actually initial amount is 5.4. I made a little mistake. This is 5.4. It goes right here because initial amount is 5.4. I would say 10.8 is equal to q of 6, and that's equal to 5.4 e to the 6k. And this is where we need to solve for k. Now you just get 10.8 over 5.4 equals to e to the 6k. Then you just take the natural log of both sides. 10.8 over 5.4 equals to ln of e to the 6k. That's equal to 6k times ln of e, and that's just equals 6k. K equals to, ln of 10.8 over 5.4 divided by 6. And that's roughly, if you just take the calculator, we'll just calculate it. Let's see, we'll just get, hold on. That would be, okay, ln of 10.8 divided by 5.4, and this divided by 6. That's equal to roughly 0.116. So now we could get the solution to this equation, which becomes 5.4 e to the 0.116t. Okay. So now we got an equation that could tell us being the number of barrels being a function of t in years, and how many they would produce over this. So thanks for watching the video, and give me some comments and feedback, and have a good day.